don't listen to much of radio anymore.
Sure.
But my view is radio, I'm going to put this across to all platforms as well, not certain radio stations.
Okay.
Radio in a challenge enkulu manje mfana kithi ukuthi sinama options amaningi of not listening to radio. So how do you then bring back people or convince me to go back and listen to radio when I have these setups and now where I listen ngesikhathi engifuna ukulalela ngaso? Rewind, fast forward. Why must I listen to your radio? Mhlambe uma mhlambe phela ngabe ngisayilaleni nje radio. Mhlambe ukube angiyenzi lo msebenzi engiwenza lo kuba i-communications manager ye province ngabe mhlambe ngaba ngiyilalela i-radio. Ayikho into engibizayo. In short, ayikho into ethi mina zoakha go listen to that platform. Ngilalela, I do appointment listening nalokhu engine interest yakho in particular. Other than that, I don't listen. Even in my previous station, I don't listen.
Yo.
Ngilalela nje mhlawumbe ngikonzekile ngathola isikhathi mhlawumbe mangifuna ukuzwa uNeko in the evenings or mhlawumbe mangukuthi nami kunabantu bami abalapho, then I would listen. Gagazi, I don't listen except for lola hlelo lapho lo ingxoxo ngoba have a particular interest. When driving to work nje kuyenzeka ngisuke ngihlula ke nje, but I don't listen to them. I don't listen. Radio station.
So, do you think there are many Zoakas there out there, you know, people who used to listen a lot to radio who have grown that disinterest, if I may put it that way?
I think so too, I think so too. We are now exposed to other platforms that makes it easier for us to listen to them than radio. I have nothing really. Was radio station. I go into man. Engibizayo.